Another big relationship that you've had, even with the crew from long time, was with Buju Banton. How did that link come about in the first place?
It's money shot queen of the team, you know. I want crew where every artist good, you know. You get me? And Buju, one of the artists that were always encourage and motivate. Big respect to Buju Banton, you know. You know what I'm saying? An icon in the music business, you know, a brother to me, you know. Them always motivate you, you know. And if you see youth within the music business and on the journey, you get me? We have to trust me. But still them do good. You get me? And as an icon then, they have to take on to them. So Buju one of the first artist to have man sacrifice with, you know what I'm saying, in the camp. You know what I'm saying? And when we have a relationship and a band the way, we go and students long every day. And not only that too, it's like I'm on mentality and personality, you know. Don't forget to be on a fool in a man shot within the music business, we're a big artist, you know. So an artist with certain status, because you have certain status, that means you get me gravitate here. You know what I'm saying? It have to go with the whole thing. It's like a package. You know what I'm saying? Because you have certain artists, I believe, respect them, rate as artists, but your personal life, not like how you deal with. Rate as an artist, but not like how you deal with people. Rate as an artist, but not like how you deal with yourself. You know what I'm saying? Rate as an artist, but you don't rate you. You know what I'm saying? So if you say you have a place over there, so you know I get John B come to come out to it because like to me, I not get nothing from it. You know what I'm saying? And I'm saying if you have a brother and anybody that tell you the run and not have nothing half for you, I'm not talking about money, not about somebody not motivate you, inspire you, you know what I'm saying? Could even a joke, something to make a day. You defeat the purpose. You know what I'm saying? I don't run the environment. You know what I'm saying? So we have a man like Buju where I say, listen to me, these are things where sometimes say to you and say, oh, you know, carry yourself like this and this. So, you know, we have a band with him. Yeah, man. So him produce a man shock until him go and get incarcerated, then come back at the same thing because you can't know when people liar. You know what I'm saying? And him state him friend them and loyal to the people and where him run from them time until now. You know what I'm saying?
Because I seen you open up some of the shows on the Long Walk to Freedom tour. I think it was, which ones were you on?
Two of them, they're on tour trading. What? I think it was some island them because we just flying and don't get a private plane, Buju Banton, I'm flying on whole life. It's everything new to me. Everything when we generally be engaged and I'm trying to know it to the fullest. If you have iPad, man with iPad to the fullest. If you have a phone, if you have a lighter, you know what I'm saying? So I'm up on the private plane. And I fly Buju, more understanding the fullest, more understand German, more understand the whole thing. I say, okay, so my thing is just like, just a discover and understand. So, the private plane go one different part of the airport, the luggage, and you can carry a certain amount of luggage. You can more than overweight on a certain level and carry. You know what I say? When I'm there on the plane, I'm say to say, could I get all ackee and saltfish and the thing that me want to eat? One totally different experience. I said, when me I fly, I feel like me I fly first class and all that. But never done a flying. At a private plane flying. Yeah. And some part of the airport, I never go to part of the airport yet until you know me I fly on a private plane. I said, okay, we don't go to the regular part. You know what I'm saying? No. Everything different.
No, man, that's amazing. Again, especially with somebody that you came up with in the business from, again, this is like a 30-year relationship.
Yeah, we're comfortable on something. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah,
crazy.
Man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.